So what's up guys, welcome back to TechMesh. Today we have an exciting and highly requested video for you, a complete guide to perform a clean Windows installation of Windows 11. Whether you are upgrading from an older version of Windows or starting fresh, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the entire process. But before we dive in, let's quickly go over the system requirement for Windows 11. So mainly you need TPM or Trusted Module 2.0. And if you don't know that if your device has TPM or not, and if your device don't have TPM, then follow the video in the I button or in the description to know whether your device have TPM or not. And also enable secure boot, and your processor need to be at least 1 GHz and 64 bit, and you need a minimum of 4 GB RAM but 8 GB is recommended. And make sure that you have enough space storage available on your device, and also make sure that your device support DirectX 12, and also you have a secure internet connection because you will need an active internet connection during the installation process to download and update. First open any browser, and then in your browser you need to search for download Windows 11 and then press enter, and we will go to the official website of Microsoft. Just click on download Windows 11 from Microsoft website, and then here you need to select create Windows 11 installation media. So here is the option, so just click on download now. So here you can see that an exe file is downloading now. Make sure that you have a pen drive available with you, and the pen drive needs to be at least 8 GB. So just keep that in mind. Alright. So here you can see that our exe has already downloaded. So just double click on it, click on yes. And then here it is saying getting a few things ready. So this is the license agreement, click on accept. So here you can see that select language and edition. So I have selected use the recommended for this PC. So you can also manually select the edition, then click on next. And now here you can see you mainly need an USB flash drive or a pen drive, and the pen drive needs to be at least 8 GB. So here you can see that I have connected my pen drive here. So let me just format my pen drive. So if you have any data in your pen drive, make sure to back up your data and then just click on format. And in your format here, just select these values and click on start and then click on OK. So we have formatted our pen drive here. So the format is completed now. And here you can see that our pen drive is now selected. So just click on next. So now the Windows 11 will be downloaded to your pen drive. So just be patient and make sure that you are connected to your internet. So I will fast forward this part to save your time. So now here you can see it is saying your flash drive is ready. So just click on finish. Just go to your Windows search, and in your Windows search just click on settings. And in your settings here you need to click on Windows Update. And in your Windows Update here scroll down and here click on Advanced Options. And in your Advanced Option scroll down and then just click on Recovery. And then under Recovery here you can see find the option Advanced Startup. So just click on Restart Now and then click on Restart. So here it is saying that you may need to save your unsaved work. So just make sure to save everything and then click on Restart. And if you don't find this option, then you can also directly use your boot menu key. Just restart your device and keep pressing on your boot menu key on your device. And if you don't know your boot menu key, just search in the internet for your device boot menu key. Alright. And then now just click on troubleshoot, and under troubleshoot select advanced options, and in your advanced options select UEFI firmware settings, and now click on restart, and now your device should boot into your UEFI firmware. Alright. So here you can see this is the interface of my UEFI firmware, and your interface might be different depending on what motherboard you have. So don't worry, just click on boot menu, and in our boot menu we mainly need to select our USB pen drive where we have installed our Windows 11. Alright, so just select the USB pen drive and click on enter. So now our device will boot up from our pen drive. So now here you can see our Windows setup has now begun. So now we need to select language, time and keyboard, and after selecting those then just click on next, and now click on install now. So here you need to mainly agree to the terms and condition and then click on just I accept and then click on next. And now here we want to mainly install a clean Windows installation, so just click on custom And then here you can see we mainly need to select our C drive and we want to format our C drive. So if you have anything in your C drive, that should be formatted. So just click on your C drive and then click on format. So here you can see this is mainly our operating system. Just click on format and click on OK. Then click on refresh. And if you want to know more about partition, then click on next. And now your Windows 11 installation will begin. So first it will copy your Windows file, so it might take some time, so be patient and do not turn off your computer. And then after processing everything, then here you can see it is saying installing updates. And now your Windows needs to restart to continue. So now make sure that while your Windows is restarting, you need to unplug your pen drive. Alright, so unplug your pen drive. So here you can see it is saying now starting services. So if you didn't unplug your pen drive, then you might find two options in your Windows 11. So just select the first one. So here you can see it is saying getting ready. So be patient. So that's it. Now this is your Windows 11 final installation interface. So now mainly you need to select your country or region. So make sure to select the correct country or region and then click on yes. And then just select the correct keyboard input and then just click on skip. And now you mainly need to connect to a network. And if you don't have internet and if you cannot find this option, then follow the video in the I button to know how you can skip that, and then click on continue. And then just put your device name. And if you are connected to the internet, then you may need to sign in to your Microsoft account. So just keep that in mind. And if you want to skip this step, and then just follow the video in the I button, alright. And then put a pin, and you can also leave it empty. And then here are some privacy settings. So I will turn off these options. So you can do it, you can turn it off, or you can also toggle it on, and then click on accept. So here it is saying hi. So just be patient, you are now almost done. So getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes, so don't turn off your computer. Alright, so now here you can see that our PC has now booted up to our Windows 11. So that's it, now you have successfully installed Windows 11 on your PC. And if you don't have the internet and if you cannot find the internet and anything, then follow the video in the description or the video in the I button. Alright, so if this video helped for you, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know it in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I am Mash from TechMash and I am signing out.